Today's topic is programming languages used for 8085 microprocessor. Programming languages are generally classified into two types: low-level language and high-level language. High-level language is a platform-independent language. Means if we write a program for a particular microprocessor that can be used for another type of microprocessor. High-level language is user-understandable language like C, C++, etc. Low-level language is a platform-dependent language. Means if we write a program for a particular microprocessor that cannot be used for another type of microprocessor. It is again classified into two types: machine level language and assembly level language. Machine level language is completely machine understandable language of binary data of zeros and ones. Assembly level language is an intermediate language which uses meaningful English words called mnemonics. However, all the languages must be converted into machine level language to the microprocessor. This concept is very important while we are writing a program for microprocessor. Machine level language. Generally, the microprocessor accepts and sends the I/O data in the form of binary format. If instructions are commands written in binary pattern, then such type of language is called machine language. But understanding and writing a program by using bit patterns is very difficult. Hence, the designers of microprocessor convert such bit patterns into meaningful instruction set in the form of hexadecimal codes. If you see here, we have 256 such bit patterns are available. By using some electronic logic circuits, the manufacturers convert such bit patterns into hexadecimal codes. And to that every hexadecimal code, there is a specific meaning. For example, the binary code 00111100's equivalent hexadecimal code is 3C. Instead of typing this binary code, if you press 3 and C in a keyboard, the corresponding predefined operation is performed. Means to the every hex code, the manufacturer frames some specific predefined operation. Assembly level language. The symbolic code written for each instruction using English words is called mnemonics. Here we have some examples. INR space A. INR stands for increment. A is a accumulator register. Incrementing register A by 1 bit. Its corresponding instruction set of hexadecimal is 3C. Another example is add B. Adding B register to the accumulator A. Its corresponding instruction set of hexadecimal code is 80. But we know that machine understands only binary language of zeros and ones. How we convert English words to machine level language? If you see here, a assembler is used in between assembly level language and machine level language. Assembler is a program of software which converts assembly level language to machine level language without interference of human beings. Similarly, if the operation is performed manually by writing mnemonics on a paper and converting to hexadecimal codes and then to machine level language is called hand assembler. High level language. It is a programming language which converts to machine level language by using of compiler or interpreter. Compiler reads whole program at once and produces its object code. It is a software like C and C++. Interpreter uses sequence of order. It reads one instruction at a time from source code and produces its object code. It is a software like BASIC. Here we have some comparisons between machine level language and assembly level language and high level language. Machine level language uses binary digits of zeros and ones. Assembly level language uses mnemonics. High level language uses English statements. Machine level language is a hardware dependent. Assembly level language is also a hardware dependent. High level language is a hardware independent. Machine level language is very difficult to understand. Assembly level language is somewhat difficult to understand. High level language is easy to understand. Machine level language executes directly by processor. Assembly level language executes with assembler. High level language executes with compiler or interpreter. Machine level language debugging is not possible. Assembly level language debugging is possible but time taking process. High level language debugging is simple. It is the overall concept about the machine level language, assembly level language, high level language. If you have clear idea about this concept, you are a good programmer for microprocessor. Thank you and please subscribe my channel.